You can format your text to have different fonts, sizes, and colors. You can also make your font bold, italicized, or underlined.
For example, we might want to make these titles italicized instead of just bold. So you can use the options under Home to do this, just this font section here. So let's test some out. We can make these underlined. We can increase the font size here. We can just change the font size here. Let's make it even bigger. We can change the font. Let's make it this. Now, none of those look good, so we're going to undo all of those. We might leave the italicized. Another thing you can do is just use the shortcut here. That comes up if you right-click on it. So here are those same options, and we can change the font color. Now, clearly this one looks better, so we're going to stick with that one, but there are those options available, and there are times where you might want to make things look italicized so that they stand out from the rest of the text. Like, for example, we might use italicized, but we'll just use the shortcut Control-I, and that doesn't look so bad. It shows that this is a total row, but let's get rid of this one because it's giving me a headache.